to our YouTube channel Mute and Loudspeaker. Today Mute is not there because he is studying for his exams. So today I am going to show you some drawings which I did during lockdown. Come. This is my drawing bag. First I drew a Disney princess. Then I drew a girl wearing mask, a colorful butterfly, Ganpati, two friends, a star, a studying girl, a doctor kicking Corona and saving our country, a summer girl, a unicorn girl, and a rabbit. So today we are going to draw a rabbit. So first we'll draw your circle. Then we'll draw here 1. Two. This. So first, take orange. Now take red color. Drawing is ready. If you like my drawing, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.